Chayote is a nutritious vine, widely grown thanks to its good adaptability and diverse culinary uses. Every year, farmers around the world harvest millions of tons of chayote, thanks to modern farming techniques and favorable climatic conditions. But how is chayote planted, cared for, harvested, and processed before reaching consumers? Let's explore the exciting journey of this plant. Chayote, also known as chayote or mirliton, is a nutritious and versatile plant that thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. This tree is not only grown to harvest green fruits shaped like pears, but is also used in many other parts, such as buds, leaves, and roots. Thanks to its flexible adaptation and high nutritional value, chayote has become an important food in many cuisines around the world. Chayote is one of the plants that is easy to propagate thanks to its ability to naturally germinate from seeds inside the fruit. Farmers often grow chayote directly from seeds or whole fruits, helping the plant grow quickly without the need for complicated nursery steps. This plant grows well in loose, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. After a while, the tree begins to grow strongly, its green foliage gradually spreading. Because it is a vigorous growing vine, chayote needs a sturdy trellis to cling to. In commercial farms, trellises are often built with wooden stakes, helping the trees grow high and the fruits do not touch the ground, limiting pests and diseases. After a period of growth, the vines will cover the trellis, forming a dense canopy, which helps maintain moisture and prevent weeds from growing, while also protecting the plant from the direct impact of harsh sunlight. During the growing process, they need to be watered properly to maintain productivity and avoid too wet soil causing fungal diseases. Chayote is also susceptible to pests such as aphids, red spider mites, and bollworms, so farmers apply biological methods such as natural enemies, neem oil, or organic pesticides. In addition, regular pruning helps plants breathe, while crop rotation helps maintain soil fertility and limit seasonal pests. When the tree reaches maturity, flowers begin to appear densely, signaling the upcoming fruit-bearing stage. The pale yellow flowers attract pollinating insects, facilitating the fruit formation process. If cared for properly, chayote trees will continue to produce fruit regularly throughout the season, providing high yields and consistent quality. After about 4 to 6 months, chayote is ready to harvest. The ideal time is when the fruit is still young, firm, and soft, ensuring the best quality. If harvested late, the fruit will become hard and fibrous, reducing its value. Farmers often harvest by hand, using pruning shears or sharp knives to carefully cut the fruit from the vines, avoiding damage to the tree. Harvesting usually takes place in the early morning or late afternoon to limit the impact of high temperatures. Farmers carefully observe each fruit, select those that meet standards before cutting, and gently hold the stem to avoid scratching the skin. Because chayote bears fruit continuously throughout the growing season, harvesting is done several times during the season instead of all at once, requiring patience and meticulousness to maintain the best yield and fruit quality. Once harvested, chayote is loaded onto trucks and transported to the processing facility, where the cleaning and packaging process begins. Here they are unloaded and put into large tanks for thorough washing, removing dirt and impurities to meet the market's strict quality standards. Next, chayote is classified according to size and quality, and those that do not meet the requirements will be discarded. Qualified fruits are packaged in bubble bags, then placed in boxes and prepared to be shipped to distributors. With a cool taste and light, crunchy texture, chayote is very versatile in preparation. It can be used in many different ways, such as eating it raw in fresh salads, stir-frying it with fragrant garlic and meat to create a richer dish, or adding it to soups and hot pots to add a sweet flavor and freshness. In some areas, not only the fruit but also young shoots and chayote leaves are used to prepare many different dishes, contributing to providing a rich source of nutrition for daily meals. In addition to its culinary value, chayote also brings many nutritional benefits. This fruit is rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, helping to strengthen the immune system and stabilize blood sugar. Some studies also show that chayote may contribute to protecting heart health. Thanks to growing awareness of healthy foods, demand for chayote continues to expand in both domestic and international markets. Through the journey of discovering chayote cultivation, we can see that cultivating this plant requires perseverance. From the planting stage to harvesting and processing, each step reflects the dedication of the farmer. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Have you ever tried chayote? How do you like to prepare it? Please share your thoughts and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting content about agriculture. Have you ever wondered how fresh, succulent yellow lemons appear in your daily dishes and drinks? Each year, California, known as the lemon capital of the U.S., supplies nearly 900,000 tons of high-quality lemons to domestic and foreign markets. But how are these vast lemon gardens grown, cared for, harvested, and processed into familiar products? Let's learn about this entire process in the video below. Watering is an important factor in growing lemons, helping to maintain appropriate humidity for the tree. However, overwatering can harm the roots and increase the risk of disease. To optimize irrigation efficiency, many farmers use drip irrigation systems or mist irrigation, which not only reduces waste, but also ensures water is distributed evenly, supporting plant growth and limiting soil-borne diseases. Lemon trees usually need 1 to 2 years to grow before branches can be pruned. This process helps the tree maintain a solid structure, increase air circulation, and absorb light better, and remove old and weak branches to concentrate nutrients in healthy parts. Thanks to that, fruit quality and yield are significantly improved. In large-scale lemon gardens, farmers perform periodic pruning with machines to ensure trees grow evenly, limit pests, and maintain stable productivity through each season. Despite careful maintenance, lemon trees are still vulnerable to pests such as aphids, red mites, and leaf spot fungi. To protect the orchard, pest control spraying is an essential measure to manage infestations and maintain tree health. Nowadays, modern equipment like tractor-mounted sprayers is widely used to enhance efficiency, ensure even distribution of pesticides, and reduce labor efforts, helping farmers safeguard their lemon orchards more effectively. Lemon trees usually bloom in spring, from February to May, depending on climate and care conditions. In warm climates, the plant may flower several times a year, with the main period occurring in the cool, moderately humid months. When the flowers are successfully pollinated by bees, lemon fruits begin to form, marking a new growth cycle. Over time, the fruit develops with a shiny skin and gradually emits a light fragrance. After months of meticulous care, the lemons reach their ideal size and perfect ripeness, ready for harvest. When ripe, the lemon peel turns bright yellow, not only eye-catching, but also signaling that the flavor has reached the perfect balance between sourness and sweetness. Harvesting should be done gently to avoid damage to the fruit and plant. The optimal way is to gently rotate the fruit or use sharp scissors to cut the stem. Avoid squeezing or pulling too hard to avoid tearing the peel, helping the lemon to preserve longer. Proper harvesting techniques also contribute to maintaining tree health and ensuring stable yields throughout the seasons. Besides, machines now also play an important role in the harvesting process, helping to reduce labor and improve efficiency. Automatic lemon harvesters are designed to move along the tree row using a vibration system or mechanical arms to gently separate the fruit from the branches, minimizing damage. Thanks to modern technology, harvested lemons are immediately transferred into containers, ensuring quality and reducing processing time, helping to optimize the harvesting process in large-scale lemon gardens. After harvesting, lemons are transported to the processing factory by specialized vehicles. Here they are fed into an automatic washing system where clean water and a mild disinfectant solution help remove remaining dirt. This process not only ensures food hygiene and safety, but also prepares lemons for subsequent processing stages, helping to maintain quality throughout the storage and distribution process. After being thoroughly cleaned, lemons go through a meticulous sorting process based on size, color, and ripeness. The automated sorting system quickly filters the lemons, but in addition, workers carefully inspect them manually to detect any defects. Lemons that are too small, overripe, or damaged are immediately removed to ensure consistent and stable quality. This crucial step not only optimizes the production process, but also ensures that the final product meets the strict standards of both domestic and export markets, delivering fresh, high-quality lemons to consumers. Finally, lemons are carefully packaged according to distribution purposes, ensuring maximum impact and maintaining freshness. Then they are refrigerated to prolong their shelf life while still retaining their inherent characteristic flavor. Thanks to modern processes and strict control, lemons reaching consumers are always of high quality, ready to serve many different needs effectively. Besides using fresh lemons, one of the popular processing methods that helps prolong the preservation time and diversify lemon products is the production of lemon powder. This process begins with a washing step to remove dirt, pesticide residue, and bacteria on the surface, ensuring that the lemon meets food safety standards. After cleaning, the lemons are cut into thin slices to optimize the drying process. The lemon slices are then put into the drying system at the appropriate temperature to completely remove moisture, helping to preserve flavor, color, and nutritional content. Drying not only helps prolong preservation, but also preserves natural compounds found in lemons, such as vitamin C and citric acid. When the lemons have reached the standard dryness, they will be finely ground with an industrial blender, creating lemon powder with a uniform texture, easy to dissolve, and convenient for many uses. Finally, lemon powder is packaged in specialized packaging to help protect it from moisture, light, and impacts from the outside environment, maintaining its quality throughout the storage and distribution process. Thanks to modern production processes and strict control, lemon powder becomes a convenient product that can be used in food processing, beverage preparation, cosmetics, or pharmaceutical applications, bringing convenience and high nutritional value to consumers. The journey of the lemon from planting to processing shows the dedication of American farmers and advances in modern agricultural technology, helping to ensure high productivity, sustainable development, and the best quality. If you found this journey interesting and inspiring, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Which step in the entire process of growing, harvesting, and processing lemons are you most impressed with? Please let us know now. Have you ever wondered how starchy cassava roots became an important food source worldwide? Each year, the world harvests more than 300 million tons of cassava, of which Nigeria is the country that grows the most, accounting for about 20% of total global production. But how is cassava grown, cared for, harvested, and processed into familiar products? Now, let's find out the answer. Cassava thrives in tropical climates, adapts well to well-drained soil, and can withstand prolonged drought. The process of growing cassava begins with the soil preparation stage, in which the soil is loosened to create favorable conditions for roots to grow and absorb nutrients effectively. To avoid waterlogging, farmers often build beds or dig trenches, which improves drainage and creates an optimal environment for the roots to expand. After preparing the soil, the next step is choosing varieties. Healthy, pest-free cuttings are taken from mature cassava plants that are about 10 to 12 months old. These cuttings are 20–25 cm long, cut from the tree trunk, and retain the sprout nodes to ensure budding ability. When planting, farmers can place cuttings vertically, tilted, or horizontally at the appropriate distance for best plant growth. Cassava planting time usually takes place at the beginning of the rainy season to ensure enough moisture for seedlings to grow. In some areas, cassava planting is supported by planting machines, which help reduce labor costs. The machine automatically places cassava stem cuttings into furrows at the appropriate spacing and depth, while farmers continuously supply cuttings to maintain smooth operation. Thanks to automation, cassava planters not only increase productivity, but also significantly reduce manual labor. Some modern versions are equipped with an automatic fertilization system, providing nutrients from the start and optimizing cultivation efficiency. Although cassava is drought-resistant, to achieve high yields, the plant still needs appropriate moisture. Watering at the right time helps roots develop well, creating a premise for tuber formation. In dry or low rainfall areas, drip or sprinkler irrigation methods help provide water effectively without causing flooding. Thanks to that, cassava roots develop fully, avoiding hardening or stunting due to lack of water during the critical period. Provided with the necessary nutrients, cassava plants grow quickly and, when mature, can reach 1.5 to 4 meters in height. The stem is straight with few or many branches, depending on the variety, and has distinctive palmate leaves. Throughout its growth cycle, the plant develops a strong root system, forming starch-rich tubers of high economic value, which are harvested at full maturity. The time of cassava harvest plays a decisive role in the starch content and overall quality of the tuber. Normally, cassava reaches maturity when it is 8 to 12 months old. Signs that cassava is ready to harvest include when the leaves begin to yellow and gradually fall off, leaving only a few leaves at the top of the plant. If left longer, the quality of cassava may decrease and lose its nutritional value. The harvesting process is mainly done manually. Farmers use their hands to pull the plants out of the ground, then carefully dig up the roots with a knife or hoe. For added convenience, they often cut off the stem before pulling it out, making it easier to remove the root from hard, dry soil. When the tubers are deep or tightly attached, farmers need to use a hoe to dig around, being careful to avoid breaking the tubers, because damaged tubers will be difficult to preserve and can easily rot and spoil quickly. In large-scale farming areas, farmers use cassava diggers to improve harvesting efficiency. The machine digs into the soil and lifts cassava tubers to the surface, allowing for quick collection with minimal damage. Some models feature plow blades or vibration systems to enhance tuber separation. Harvesting efficiency ranges from 0.2 to 0.6 hectares per hour, depending on tuber depth, soil conditions, and machine design. Compared to manual harvesting, using machinery saves time and reduces losses from missed or broken tubers. After harvesting, cassava is immediately transported to the factory for processing, ensuring the best quality. The first process is washing and sorting by size. Then the cassava is processed to create many different products to serve consumer and industrial needs. One of the most important products is cassava flour, which is produced through careful peeling, grinding, and drying to maintain quality. The ground powder then undergoes a process of dehydration, fermentation to reduce cyanogenic content, and then drying before grinding into a high-quality fine powder. suitable for many food and industrial applications. Cassava flour is a popular ingredient in many cuisines and also serves as a gluten-free alternative in baking and pastry making. Another product derived from cassava is tapioca starch, which is extracted during processing. This starch is soaked, kneaded thoroughly, and filtered to create small tapioca pearls, commonly used in various desserts and beverages. And that's all for today's video. Do you have any comments? Please share your thoughts and experiences about cassava in the comments section below. Your contributions will help us better understand and appreciate the value of this wonderful crop. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. Carrots are one of the most popular vegetables in the United States, with an annual harvest of over 3.4 billion pounds. To deliver fresh and delicious carrots to consumers, they must go through a meticulous and precise process, from planting, nurturing, and harvesting to processing. So, what is the secret to producing carrots on a large scale while maintaining their quality? Let's uncover the answer in this video. California is the top carrot-producing state in the United States, often called the carrot capital, thanks to its ideal growing conditions. The state's warm, sunny climate, well-drained, sandy soil, and advanced irrigation system create the perfect environment for carrots to grow. These favorable conditions contribute to the significant economic value of the carrot industry, estimated to reach $1.823 billion USD by 2023 and 2023. The journey of a carrot begins in vast and fertile fields, where farmers patiently wait for the ideal time to harvest. After 70 to 80 days of steady growth, the tops of the carrots start gradually turning light green, signaling that they are fully ripe and ready for harvest. To ensure both yield and quality, farmers rely on high-tech machinery to efficiently optimize the entire harvesting process. Modern carrot harvesters are equipped with specialized cutting blades which help lift carrots out of the soil gently without damaging the tubers. This system works in a closed process. First, the blade cuts through the stem, then carefully lifts the carrots. At the same time, the integrated conveyor helps remove dirt and impurities, ensuring the carrots are clean before moving to the next stage. The leaves are separated and left in the field, helping to improve soil fertility. Not only does the harvesting process become faster and more accurate, modern harvesting machinery has completely changed the carrot growing industry. These devices help eliminate back-breaking work, increase productivity, and ensure products meet consistent standards, an important factor for both domestic and export markets. In particular, advanced technology also contributes to sustainable development in agriculture. Besides harvesting by machine, some small farms still apply manual methods. Farmers pull out each carrot, shake off the mud, and cut off the leaves before collecting. This method helps select carrots of the desired size and quality while also limiting damage. However, the manual method takes more time and effort, so it is often applied in small farming models or with special types of carrots such as baby carrots and organic carrot. After harvesting, carrots are transported to the processing plant. Upon arrival, they are unloaded from the truck and transferred onto a conveyor system that leads to storage bins, where the product is protected from damage. Forklifts will then transport these boxes into the processing area, ensuring the carrots retain their freshness before entering the next stages. The first step in the processing line is washing. Carrots pass through a large water tank with high-pressure nozzles that remove dirt and soil. Then they continue to move through rotating drums or conveyor belts with soft brushes that help scrub away stubborn dirt without damaging the natural shell. The water used in this process is continuously filtered and reused to optimize performance and protect the environment. After a final rinse with clean water, the carrots are gently dried on a conveyor belt before moving to the sorting stage. Once cleaned, carrots continue through the sorting system, where they are sorted by size, shape, and quality. The vibrating conveyor and sensor system help detect tubers that do not meet standards and arrange tubers that meet the requirements into appropriate groups for each purpose of use. Accuracy in classification not only ensures product uniformity, but also optimizes the packaging process behind. For products that need to be processed, carrots will be transferred to the automatic cutting system, where a robot arm equipped with a modern scanner helps determine the size and position of each root for precise cutting, as required. To ensure yield and freshness, soil preparation and sowing must be done scientifically. The soil is treated with modern machinery to increase porosity, improve drainage, then leveled and created reasonable beds to help plants grow strongly. Once the soil is ready, farmers use smart seeders to plant high-quality treated seeds to increase germination rates. Thanks to the support of GPS technology and modern sensors, seeds are evenly distributed with an ideal distance of 0.8 to 2 inches, creating optimal conditions for carrot growth. Throughout the growing process, watering plays an essential role in maintaining healthy carrot growth. Modern irrigation systems such as drip irrigation and mist irrigation help provide water exactly according to crop needs, limit waste, and maintain optimal humidity. Farmers use mechanical, manual, or chemical methods to manage weeds, with specialized weeders ensuring efficient removal without harming crops. From soil preparation to packaging, modern technology has optimized carrot production, improving efficiency and quality. These innovations meet market demands and promote sustainable agriculture. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more exciting agricultural content. Have you ever wondered how familiar onions appear in most of our daily dishes? Onions are an essential ingredient in global cuisine, contributing flavor to countless dishes. Each year, the United States produces approximately 8.9 billion pounds of onions, making it one of the leading countries in this industry. But how are these onions grown, cared for, harvested, and processed to serve market demand? Let's explore this entire process in the video below. California, Washington, and Idaho are the largest onion-producing states in the U.S. thanks to fertile soil and ideal growing conditions. During the growth process, the green foliage moves with the wind, demonstrating healthy growth. When onions ripen, the outer layer dries into a thin paper shell, signaling the time to harvest. At the end of summer, when the onions reach their optimal size, farmers use modern machinery to harvest them quickly, starting the journey from field to table. On large-scale onion farms in the U.S., modern harvesters help farmers improve efficiency and reduce manual labor. Advanced technology ensures the onions are gently lifted off the ground while maintaining the same quality. When in operation, the sharp cutting blade glides through the surface soil, cutting the roots so that the onions can easily separate from the soil. Immediately after that, the belt and rotating bar system carefully lifts the onion, avoiding scratches, ready for the next step. After cutting, the onions are put on the conveyor belt for preliminary cleaning, removing dirt and impurities from the skin. A A soft brush gently sweeps away any remaining soil, then strong air currents blow away small dust particles. Next, the onions are automatically classified according to size and quality. Those that meet standards are sent to processing facilities, while those that do not meet the requirements will be utilized to produce onion powder, frozen onions, or other processed products. Thousands of tons of onions are processed every day, helping to reduce loss and ensure a stable supply to the market. Although machines do most of the work on large farms, manual harvesting is still necessary to protect onion quality, reduce bruising, and keep freshness longer. Workers use small shovels, digging forks, or specialized cutting blades to loosen the soil, helping to lift the onions gently without damaging the skin. Then, they are preliminarily cleaned right in the field before being packed into hundreds of thousands of sacks. Once harvested, onions are transported to processing facilities where they undergo rigorous processing to maintain quality and freshness. Each truck can carry up to 25 tons of onions. Then the goods are unloaded and put on a conveyor belt to be transferred to a large storage warehouse. Before being stored, onions go through vibrating screens and powerful fans to remove dirt and debris from the field. Cracked or damaged onions will be removed to ensure product quality. For fresh whole onions, they are sent through a modern processing line where every stage meets the highest standards. A mechanical sorting system arranges the onions by size and weight, ensuring uniformity in packaging and transportation. Rejected onions are repurposed into onion powder or dried onions. Next, an advanced optical sensor system equipped with high-resolution cameras and infrared technology detects any defects, ensuring that only the highest quality products are packaged and distributed. Finally, the onions are packaged into bags and boxes, labeled and prepared for distribution. Every packaging stage is closely monitored to ensure the highest quality standards. Whether destined for supermarkets, restaurants, or processing facilities, each onion is handled with care to preserve its natural flavor. Behind every onion on the market is a methodical growing process. This process begins with choosing quality seeds and preparing the soil, two key factors that determine farming efficiency. Onions grow best in fertile, well-drained soil that receives enough sunlight to promote photosynthesis. The soil is thoroughly tilled to create looseness, making it easier for roots to firmly adhere and absorb nutrients. Seeds or bulbs are sown using specialized machines, ensuring uniform spacing. When planting with bulbs, farmers place them neatly with the top facing up so that the plants can grow smoothly. After planting, onions are watered with a drip or mist system to retain moisture without causing waterlogging of the roots. During the bulb development stage, stable water helps the onions reach optimal size. At the same time, organic or microbial fertilizers are added periodically to provide nutrients to help plants stay healthy. Besides, spraying helps control pests and protect crop productivity, ensuring healthy growth. After months of careful care, the onions reach maturity and the growing cycle continues. From planting and harvesting to processing and packaging, every step in onion production is designed to be highly efficient, sustainable, and ensure quality. Next time you chop an onion, take a moment to appreciate the wonderful journey it has taken from the farm to your table. What do you think about this onion harvesting and production process? Please leave your opinion in the comments section below. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting agricultural documentary videos. Turn on the notification bell to update as soon as we release a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next content. Did you know that each year American farmers harvest more than 6.2 billion pounds of sweet corn? Not only is it rich in nutrients, sweet corn also has a fresh flavor, making it an indispensable food. But how does the process of harvesting these corns take place? From the vast fields to our dinner tables, what stages does corn have to go through? Join us to explore in today's video. Normally, American farmers take about 60 to 100 days to take care of crops, from sowing seeds until the plants bloom and form corn. When the corn reaches optimal maturity, the harvesting process begins. With an output of hundreds of millions of pounds each year, harvesting is a large-scale undertaking, requiring great precision and efficiency. To meet this need, farmers apply modern machinery, helping to optimize the entire process and minimize labor. Specialized harvesters are designed to precisely cut close to the base of the plant and separate corn cobs immediately upon harvest. After the stalks are completely removed, the corn is transferred into large bins, helping the harvesting process to take place continuously and effectively, especially in fields near the gathering area. When the tank is full, the truck will be replaced immediately to maintain a stable progress and avoid work interruption. On some large-scale farms, modern harvesters also have containers right on the machine body, helping them operate independently without depending on trucks for continuous support, improving flexibility in collection and transportation. The development of technology has created a revolution in agricultural harvesting, helping to improve productivity and reduce dependence on manual labor. Thanks to precise cutting, quick collection, and efficient transportation, the harvesting process goes more smoothly, especially during the peak season. As the scale of farming expands, farmers can spend more time on managing and improving product quality instead of focusing on the harvesting stage as before. However, there are still some farms in the U.S. that maintain the method of harvesting sweet corn by hand. Farmers carefully walk along rows of corn, picking individual golden ears and placing them on conveyor belts supported by machines. This system helps move corn gently into prepared cartons, ensuring they are neatly arranged and not damaged during transportation. After leaving the field, corn cobs are quickly taken to processing factories to ensure freshness. Here, corn will undergo a strict processing process to ensure the highest quality before reaching consumers. Upon arrival at the factory, each ear of corn is taken on a conveyor belt to an automatic peeler, where the outer husk and silk are removed. After cleaning, the corn is thoroughly inspected to ensure it meets quality standards before being distributed to the market. Part of the corn will be put into the processing line to produce canned corn. This process uses specialized machines to accurately separate corn kernels from the cob, ensuring the kernels are not broken or damaged. After that, the corn kernels are washed, blanched in hot water, quickly cooled, and finally canned with brine or syrup, depending on the desired product. After sealing, corn boxes are sterilized at high temperatures to prolong storage time, ensuring quality and flavor when reaching consumers. Although harvesting and processing are important steps, we cannot ignore the first step in the corn farming process: sowing seeds. This is the foundation that determines the growth and productivity of plants. Corn corn grows well when sown in fertile, loose soil with appropriate moisture. Before sowing, farmers need to plow the soil to improve soil structure, making it easier for plant roots to deepen and absorb nutrients. Next, corn seeds are placed in the beds at a standard distance to ensure the plants have enough space to grow. Currently, farms often use automatic seeders, which help distribute seeds evenly and optimize crop performance. When seedlings begin to grow, proper care is the deciding factor for healthy growth. Farmers need to provide about 2.5 to 5 cm of water per week, depending on weather conditions and soil characteristics. On large farms, automatic irrigation systems help control humidity appropriately, reduce labor, and optimize production efficiency. Along with irrigation, pest control is also important. Corn plants often encounter common diseases such as sheath blight and rust, which seriously reduce productivity if not controlled promptly. To control pests effectively, besides integrated pest management methods, spraying pesticides also plays an important role in maintaining crop productivity. Farmers can use tractor trucks or drones to spray chemicals, helping to distribute chemicals more quickly, accurately, and evenly than manual methods. After careful care, the corn plant enters the flowering and pollination stage, helping the corn to develop firm seeds and achieve the best quality. When ripe, the golden fields signal that the harvest season has arrived, opening the collection and processing stage. With the combination of modern technology and the dedication of farmers, the process of harvesting and processing sweet corn in the U.S. has reached a new level. Thank you for exploring this exciting journey with me. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to continue accompanying us in fascinating stories about the agricultural world. See you in the next video.